Because if the things are left undiscussed, your spouse will discuss it with someone else and will get the wrong opinion, which in turn will damage your life.
Excellent.
It's a human biology that even Allah said we have created the couples to have pleasure from each other.
True.
It's the main point first of all.
True. We are basically component of emotion. So this is the right person, no, to share all emotions, no, with. Excellent. So it gives pleasure and peace.
Like when two people get married, they have spent a different life before.
Okay.
They get a chance to share the experiences of each other.
True.
It's also a source of pleasure for them.
Excellent. So
And it's a very beautiful aspect of this part of life.
excellent. So you meant to say that the first point is clear? The second point. See, you people were talking about so many things, peace of mind and satisfaction and respect, etc. My question, ready?
Yes.
How can this relationship, the relationship of marriage, or how this, I mean the marital life, the married life, the matrimonial life can be a source of peace? The question is clear?
Yes.
How can this life, I mean this marital life, be a source of peace? The question to all of you, please.
Firstly, think that the other person is not free of errors. Imperfection is always there. Accept him or her with imperfections.
Excellent.
If you see something different or unliked,
Okay.
firstly communicate with the spouse.
True.
And this communication should be effective.
Very good.
This thing can make your life, your married life, better life.
Excellent.
In my point of view. Because if the things are left undiscussed, the spouse, your spouse will discuss it with someone else
Excellent.
and will get the wrong opinion, which in turn will damage your life.
Excellent.
So the life can be made better by understanding the problems of each other
Okay.
and by communicating.
Excellent. Now she says that this relationship is a source of peace. How? That if we see something wrong, so if we start communicating effectively,
Yes.
and if there is effective communication, what will happen? The communicator shall be at peace.
Yes.
And the person who was causing disturbance, he or she shall get corrected.
Yes.
And that correction shall make that communicator peaceful as well.
Yes.
And even know that the person who was having some problem, he shall also be at peace now. And where those two people are living, the environment, no, I mean at home, no, the elders, no, they will be at peace.
Peace.
And you added one more point, that if you start talking about your partner, no, in some other family,
Yes.
at some other place, so what will happen? If you are at peace, so what will happen? There shall be no issue at all, no?
You will not discuss with anybody. Because there is no
Excellent.
issue. You have already discussed with your partner.
Excellent.
There is no need to discuss with any other.
Excellent.
If the partner has not provided you with that space, then definitely you will go outside and discuss with somebody.
Excellent. Great. So this is your concept of peace.
Yes.
That you are of the point of view that this relationship results in peace. This is a relationship of peace. How? That whatever you feel, you can share.
Yes.
And you can share, no, with courage, with logic, with
Yes.
reason. Clear, without embarrassing,
Yes.
insulting, no, that your partner or even anybody else in the
Yes,
society,
society.
in the environment. Excellent. Please, if you want to add something, so you are most welcome. Before I make you speak on the topic what you are talking about, you want to add something?
Yes, sir.
That this is a relationship, which is a relationship of peace. My question was that how does this relationship cause peace, result in peace, ensure peace, etc.?
Sir, it's a human biology that even Allah said we have created the couples to have pleasure from each other.
True.
It's the main point first of all.
True.
And the other things that plays a most important role in this
True.
is the understanding and compromise.
Excellent.
And, if we talk about pleasure, it's about us also there. And if we call the peace of mind,
True.
if you understand each other,
Okay.
you are also going to have children in the future life. That's also a part of this marital life.
True.
You cannot deny it.
He is trying to draw our attention towards something very, very important. That how is it this relationship is a source of peace? The first need is that is biological need. So that is actually it meets your biological need. I'm talking about both partner, male and female. So as that is over, so you are at peace. Then you want to say so many things and you can talk to someone who can understand you. So this is the best relationship, who can understand you. So as you share and you are understood, or your words are taken as they were meant to be.
Yes.
So what happened? You are at peace. And you want to listen to someone. And if someone is there who can tell you so many things which know that you want, and none else can understand what your wants are, other than
Yes.
your love, your life partner. Anything else, before I move forward, to the man,
When two people get married, they have spent a different life before.
Okay.
They get a chance to share the experiences of each other.
True.
It's also a source of pleasure for them.
Excellent. So,
And it's a very beautiful aspect of this part of life.
or you want to say something else?
It was about emotional, not that physical.
emotional.
Balance of emotion.
Absolutely right.
The
Excellent.
transfer of the ideas and the experience that they have experienced before in their life.
That it gives pleasure.
Like, yeah, that it's a source of entertainment for them. Even I belong to different caste. I have different experiences in my childhood.
Okay.
As you told, I've shared with my wife.
True.
It's a very beautiful relationship.
True.
They can share even the things that they cannot share with their parents and brothers and sisters.
True.
Yeah,
True.
That's the real partner of your life. That's I mean.
Excellent. We are basically component of emotion. So this is the right person, no, to share all emotions, no, with. Excellent. So it gives pleasure and peace.
So it's a part of life. It takes something every comes in our life through every second and every minute. Even the perfect couple like Ali and Fatima, even the Prophet himself.
True.
There were problems in their house.
True.
And even there was no food in their house for many weeks.
True.
And even if he wanted, he could have everything that in this universe. But he had 11 wives. None of them even complained even a single time.
Excellent.
They complained, but they complained it in a very beautiful way and in a better way, only to her Prophet peace be upon him.
True.
And one more thing that I will mention, that Ali and Fatima, once they also had trouble with each other. While Prophet went to their home, while Prophet went to their home.
True.
And said, Fatima, you're looking sad, what happened? Then it was the role that the parents have to play.
Absolutely.
He didn't ask Ali, what have you done? And didn't ask Fatima, what happened? He only went there and it took the hands of both and settled it. This is the way of settling the conflict.
Excellent.
If the matter goes to the families.
We shall discuss this question in detail. That if the problem arises, no, that what should be made? Issues are there, likes and dislikes, no problems. We shall discuss. No, actually, we're talking about that this relationship, I mean marriage or marital life, is a source of peace, is a source of pleasure. Clear? Is a source of happiness, or it gives peace, it gives pleasure, it gives happiness, and so on. No, excellent. Please.